Hello friends, this is Ridham back with another video, and in this video we will be looking at the device that's gonna be launched on 27th of September 2018, that's this year, and this is the device and it is named Blackberry KEY Lite. Yes, this phone is made by Blackberry, and now today we'll be looking after what this phone is made up of and what it is packed with. Yes, so starting with display, it has a stunning 4.5 inches display, and that's a bit of small screen, I guess, because size does matter. We need to watch movies, we need to shoot videos, we need to shoot photos, and yes, screen might be a bit small for that. And what is the resolution of the screen? It's 1080 into 1620. So yes, such a resolution packed in such a screen size, you'll get good quality, and yes, quality too matters. So let's see, the screen is even okay, we can walk on the screen is fine. And what is the operating system that it has? It's Android 8.0 Oreo. Yes, it is the most advanced, like the advanced is 8.1, and it is just a step below, and I guess it can be updated. Yes, it should be updated, right? Because without updating, how can we work? The world is developing and we need to develop. And now coming towards the processor, it is packed with a octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cryo 260 and 1.8 GHz quad-core Cryo 260. So 4 cores running on 2.2 GHz and 4 cores running on 1.8 GHz. You can calculate, right? So yes, that's enough power to run some games, to do some serious business. So no complaints about the processor, no complaints about the screen. Yeah, only for the size, but yes, no matter, because the resolution is great, and no complaints about operating system. Now coming to the RAM, because processor alone cannot perform that well, so it needs RAM. So we are getting 4 GBs of RAM. 4 GB. It's common nowadays. There are 8 GB RAM phones, 6 GB RAM phones, and yes, there are 3 and 2 GB phones. So let's range it in middle somewhere, because yes, 4 GB is not joke. It's some serious thing there. 4 GB you can play anything or do any hard business on your phone. And now, how does this thing get power? Yes, of course, a battery. And what's the power of the battery? Is 2900 mAh. So according to the screen size, the battery sounds fair. It will give enough backup for a day, and there are not many things specified, because this phone is still to be launched on the market and a month more is left, so waiting for more specification. So if you are still watching, go below and subscribe, because the latest updates on the phone will be on this channel. So don't worry and keep commenting. And after battery, what do we need? We need camera, because we shoot videos, photos, come on, selfie. Yeah, so we need camera, and there is a 12 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. So yes, there is something, right? 12 megapixel rear, 8 megapixel front. You will get great images, but not the best one, because for the best one you need better quality, and yes, aperture and things like that too matter. So if you want, I will do a different review for that, for camera only, but for now camera is doing great on this device. So what kind of sensor does this thing have? You need sensor, gyros, accelerometer. So it has light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope, and yes, fingerprint sensor. It is compulsory nowadays. Only some phones don't come with a fingerprint. Fingerprint security matters. A lot of things get stored in the device, and yes, you need to make it safe. So fingerprint, a very good way to save your phone, and yes, it has that. So go for security. And now for the GPU, you need to play games. Games. PUBG, Clash of Clans, and different games out there. You need to play that, and for that you need a strong GPU, graphical processing unit. And what does this thing have? It has a Adreno 512 GPU. So yes, play games, but screen is still small. Yeah, for gamers we need bigger screen, 6-inch. Yeah, there are phones out there with 6-inch screen. Don't worry, I will be reviewing on them. But for now, let's play games on this device, right? Okay, that were the key specs. Yes, if you are like searching for a phone like that with this specification, except for the screen size, this is the phone, I guess. And you can keep checking on unique summons. The price might decrease. I searched in the market and I found the price around it priced around 34,990 in India. Yeah, and I could not search a lot because yes, India is our neighboring country and I could find that. But yes, I will be writing the price down in the description. If I find, I will keep researching for you. I will do your job for you, and you just need to do one thing. If you are watching till now, go below, press the subscribe button, press the like button, press the bell icon, because you need to stay tuned with a person like me. Yeah, we work hard to make such videos, do a lot of research, and if you find something going wrong on the video, go below, tell me. I want to improve, because it is all about improving. And one good news too, my contents are back on YouTube, so get onto my channel, watch my content. Thank you for watching. This is me Rhythms signing off. Please do like, subscribe and comment along with the bell icon. Take care.